Okay, this is 2012 Arctic Cat Mud Pro 650. In this video I'll explain how to change the front differential seal. I couldn't find a video or any instructions on a website or YouTube, so I decided to film this. First you gotta do is raise your back and support it on something so you can spin the wheel in order to turn the shaft. Then you gotta take this tire off, and once you got that done, first thing you do is take this actuator or whatever it's called. This guy right there. It's supported by 3 bolts. One is there, one is here, and one is in the back. So take that off, get it out of the way. The next thing you do is split the U-joint, which is right there. Mine is not back yet, but to split that up, it's just this guy sitting here and there's a new part. To split that up, it's held by these pins. You just push those pins out with the screwdriver, all 4 of them, and then bang the shit out of it. Use some kind of hammer, and I use a screwdriver, but you can use some piece of metal or whatever. The next thing you do, once you get that out, you have to disconnect this boot here, right there. To disconnect that clamp, you put the screwdriver on one side and another side and just pop it out. Then you pull this thing, this drive shaft out. Once you get that out, you have to take this housing out. It has 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 1 on the other side. Once you get the bolts out, just gently tap on it, it'll come out. Once it's out, you'll see the locking ring that holds this little axle in there. That's where your seal is and your bearing is. So to get that out, you're gonna need a tool like this just to snap it out, but this is Mickey Mouse one. You need a little bit heavy duty gauge one. And the seal sits right in there. I just pop it out with a screwdriver or pliers or whatever. Put the new seal back in and do everything in reverse. And that's how the front differential seal is replaced on this Arctic Cat Mud Pro 650. I believe it's similar to the other machines that are out there, a similar age. Like I said, I hope this video helps guy down the road, and thanks for watching.